Hi, I'm Katie. I'm a medical student and I'm going to be showing you around Creighton's Health Science campus in Phoenix. Let's go. We attend most of our lectures in our active learning classroom. Designed for optimal visibility from any seat, the space promotes engagement with lectures and collaboration with peers. Research is a key component of a medical education, and the librarians on the Phoenix campus are here to foster our academic curiosity and research interests. As future physicians, learning how to collaborate with other healthcare professionals is invaluable. Exposure to real-world scenarios before clinical experiences is crucial. Cutting-edge technology and lab space throughout campus allow us to apply classroom knowledge in practical, hands-on situations. Designed quiet zones on campus are ideal spaces for focused studying. In the Norton Foundation Success Center, you'll find academic success coordinators, learning specialists, and counselors who support our academic and personal well-being. Campus is located in the Phoenix Medical Quarter, so it's a convenient distance from clinical sites around the valley. Thanks for joining me as we checked out our campus here in Phoenix.